Hi guys, welcome back to Momina's Mixplate. In the studio with me today is actress-singer Zarnish Khan. Her song Behta Darya for Kashmir Beats was phenomenal. And she has a new song coming up. She's going to be in season 2 of Kashmir Beats. She has a new film coming out, which is called Dulhan Exposed, which I'm really excited to talk about. Stay tuned till the end of the video because we're also going to be playing a really fun segment of Would You Rather with Zarnish Khan. And you guys don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you can be part of the Momina's Mixplate family. And let's welcome on Zarnish Khan. Hi Zarnish.
Hi.
How are you?
I am good. How about
Actually,
you?
the first question I want to ask you before I get in here, your name is very unique. I've never heard this before. What does it mean?
I get that a lot. It means flower.
Flower in
food.
what language?
I think it's Persian.
Persian.
Yeah.
It's a very unique name.
I was told it was Arabic until very recently someone told me no, it's not Arabic, it's Persian.
It's
So,
Persian. So the first thing that we're going to get into is this game of Would You Rather.
Fun.
Okay. Fun, yeah. So I'm going to ask you some ridiculous questions.
Okay, sure.
And you are going to let me know which one would you prefer to do.
Cool.
Okay? So would you rather speak in rhymes for the rest of your life or only speak in riddles for the rest of your life?
I like rhyming.
Rhyming.
Yeah.
Try speaking. Rhyme.
अच्छा मेरी ना rhyming very ridiculous होती है. It's actually very funny because I keep everyone quite entertained on the sets. But जब भी मुझे कोई spot पे डाल देता है ना तो फिर अभी आप मुझे गाना भी बोले या कुछ भी
तो मैं नहीं हो सकेगा.
spot पे नहीं होगा. But if you guys want to check out, go check out my Instagram page. There's
a bunch of stuff there.
You're gonna get a lot of
Okay.
stuff.
Would you rather take care of the Beast from Beauty and the Beast for the rest of your life, or have Gaston as your boyfriend? It was a tough one for me as well.
It's actually pretty tough.
Because I mean, the Beast never changes and he remains the Beast for the rest of his life.
Okay, I think I'm a very caring person and Beast was actually really nice.
Yeah.
You know? So I don't mind taking care of him. But having someone as a boyfriend needs to be, no.
Yeah, no.
वैसे तो मेरी शादी हो चुकी है, वो तो ऑप्शन ही नहीं है, पर सोचने में क्या जाता है?
सोचने में क्या जाता है भाई? ख्याली पुलाव पका रहे कौन सा हम एक्चुअली में ब्यूटी एंड द बीस्ट में बैठे हुए हैं.
So yeah, I think I'd rather take care of the Beast.
Acha, would you listen to Justin Bieber for 24 hours or Nicki Minaj for 24 hours?
Justin Bieber, I guess.
I was also thinking, I was like, I also might just listen to Bieber for 24 hours. But you know,
I can take Nicki Minaj for about 6 hours, not more than that.
Not more than that.
Not more than that.
What will you listen to her? Which songs would you listen to? Which ones are your favorite songs rather?
हम सब वो Megatron is my favorite, currently favorite, yeah. है पुराना लेकिन वो दौड़ नहीं आता थोड़े टाइम के बाद आप सुनने लग जाते हैं और फिर वो चढ़ जाता है दिमाग पे.
Of course. The same happens with me as well. There are certain songs and like I love living in the past of music, like when I was in college and that time of like early 2000s and up to 2010 wala jo music tha na, that was like, or even 90s. And I'll still like sometimes, you know, just when I'm driving or I'm like in the car, I'll just like to play old school, like from Backstreet Boys to Spice Girls to Justin Timberlake. And
okay, by the way, my team hates me for this.
Oh really?
Yeah. Because अच्छा मेरे ना इतने different तरह के moods होते हैं और कभी from 90s, कभी मैं उससे पीछे चली जाती हूँ और मैं I just keep switching. तो वो I irritate my crew very much with this.
Very amazing. Okay, this one I'm really interested to know. Would you rather be a famous singer or bring back your most favorite singer? Like bring them back to life.
If I were to sound fake, I would say I'll bring someone back, and if I'm being original, obviously I'd like to put myself first.
Yeah.
मुझे भी तो देखना है ना कि कहाँ तक जा सकती है बात.
Exactly. What if you are the next great?
I think I'd like to give myself a shot as a singer.
Yeah. Perfect. And you're good at it. So I mean, like, yeah, you should.
Hopefully, yeah.
And you have an original song coming out.
Yep.
Yeah.
Pretty
Do we
excited.
know what it's called?
Yeah, Abhi, it's too soon to tell. And besides, I think the show people are going to kill me.
Yeah.
But yes, it's going to be super exciting.
And like, is this for, you have an original song and then you're also coming in Kashmir Beats season 2.
Oh, actually, you were talking about my own.
Oh yeah, your own one.
Initially, my plan was to throw my song first. But I think that's going to take some time now since the Kashmir Beat is coming out. So let's just say 2022 ke beach tak.
Both. So Kashmir Beats is also coming out next year in 2022 now.
I think we're actually not sure about that. The initial plan was to launch it somewhere around September.
Yeah.
But due to the whole COVID situation, that stopped. So now we're thinking we're going to push it a little bit towards December, and if that doesn't happen, then probably
2022.
Let's see, yeah.
So as a kid, you moved around a lot.
Yeah.
And would you like to tell me a little bit about the moves that you made and where all did you move to, and how do you think that shaped you as a child?
I have a very vibrant personality when it comes to like accepting change. So I never really had a problem traveling, you know.
Okay.
For me, every time it was, अच्छा बड़े सारे लोगों के लिए problem होता है कि यार schools change होंगे, friends अपने छोड़ के, तो मुझे ऐसा जितना कोई दुख नहीं होता था, मेरे नए ऐसे बन जाते हैं।
हाँ।
ऐसा नहीं है कि पिछले वाले मैं भूल जाती हूँ, but I have just been a very open person, you
Yeah,
know.
adaptive.
Very adaptive. तो मेरे लिए वो it was very easy for me. हाँ, what was quite troublesome growing up was the fact that my mom has been really sick. One of the reasons why we had to move a lot because उनकी बीमारी diagnose नहीं हुई थी. आपको पता है पाकिस्तान में तो वैसे ही.
Yeah, for sure.
So then we had to take her abroad. वहाँ जाके diagnose हुई. फिर हमें कुछ matters थे जो resolve करने के लिए फिर आना पड़ा, फिर जाना पड़ा. तो there was a lot of back and forth. But it was fun for me. मतलब सिर्फ मामा की बीमारी के अलावा everything else I pretty much enjoyed.
You enjoyed it.
Yeah.
What's your earliest memory of a move, like moving places?
I think सबसे exciting मेरे लिए बात यही थी कि meeting all my cousins from there, क्योंकि वो इतना ज़्यादा interaction वगैरह होता नहीं था, and we would just Skype or you know वो हम लोग उस पे बात करते होते थे. तो हम लोगों ने एक प्लान बनाया हुआ था कि कभी भी whenever I didn't know that I was going to visit them anytime soon, but we had a plan कि if we ever get together तो एक checklist थी, एक bucket list नहीं होती आपकी कि ये करना है. तो जब हम लोग गए थे उस टाइम पे तो mama was really sick, so it took us about like a year.
Yeah, to settle
लेकिन
in.
उसके बाद we sort of completed the checklist.
Do you mind sharing what the checklist
Some
was?
of the things I do not want to say. कुछ ऐसा illegal नहीं था, but I'm generally a private person. But you know, like child-like things. अच्छा मेरी conservative family थी, तो हम लोगों को कभी भी कहीं जा रहे हैं तो पापा साथ होंगे या ड्राइवर साथ होगा, अकेले नहीं छोड़ना ये वो. तो मेरी जो लड़कियां cousins थी, हम लोग का ये बहुत dream था कि हम लोग अकेले ना to another city. बेशक लेकिन ना अकेले जाएं और जाके हम अपना क्या करना होता है, आपने शॉपिंग करनी होती है, एंजॉय करना होता है, बट दैट वाज लाइक अ वेरी बिग थिंग फॉर अस कि वो एंजॉय करना हमने. सो वी डिड दैट एंड कपल ऑफ अदर थिंग्स. जस्ट अपना हैंग आउट कर रहे हैं, वी आर हैविंग गेम नाइट्स रिडिकुलसली अपने मस्ती में सारा.
What was your favorite game to play?
Yeah, Monopoly थी, but that has now changed to Monopoly Deal.
Yeah, Monopoly Deal is so much fun.
Yeah, it's so much fun.
Yeah, but are you an avid board game player?
I am.
Yeah.
And I'm not average. I'm actually pretty good.
Avid.
अच्छा, हाँ, yeah.
Which ones are your favorites now?
Sequence, Catan, you
Catan,
have to,
I love. I'm a huge Catan.
Let's have a game night
yes,
someday then.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
I'm really good, and I'm a terrible
so am
loser.
I. Achha,
I'm a sore loser.
So am I.
And I love it because like I interviewed Gauhar Rashid as well, and he also is a huge Catan player. And he's like off, and I was like, okay, like खेलेंगे आज but मुझे हारने नहीं देना.
I am a sour loser.
Yeah, same here. मैं बात नहीं करती किसी से.
मैं इतनी सड़ जाती हूँ और दूसरे बंदे को पता नहीं होता कि मुझे खामखा 2-3 दिन तक उस पे गुस्सा क्यों है, उसे इसी पे होता है कि मैं हारी हूँ.
अच्छा, your film Dulhan Exposed is in the pipeline. It's coming out.
It's a digital project.
It's a digital project, right? So tell me about that. Like, what's been like? And I believe that it's a role that has for you. You've broken a monotony from your from the storyline and from a story perspective and from your character perspective. So how do you think it's different? Where do you think that your monotony is kind of breaking in that?
Achha, so usually my audience, the people who watch me, they are used to seeing me in very sort of conventional, submissive roles. And you know, they keep asking me, okay, you know, you should try doing something different. Or in the last 1.5 years, I went through a lot of scripts. So I'm not one of those people who would hog after work, one after another. If something doesn't click with me, I wouldn't do it.
Yeah.
Under any circumstance, I wouldn't do it.
You have to believe in the project.
I
and
have
be
to believe in the project. I need to feel that from within, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Otherwise, I will not do it. It's basically based on the concept of how so many things are okay for men to do, and it's a big question when a woman does it. तो उसके हवाले से एक इट्स अ गेम प्ले, इट्स समथिंग दैट्स हैपनिंग एंड आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट कि वॉच इट टिल द एंड सो यू विल अंडरस्टैंड जो हो रहा है, क्यों हो रहा है, बट आई कांट से मोर देन दैट.
Okay. Well, that got me intrigued for
okay.
sure. Your little teaser has gotten me intrigued. Like
Really?
I'll definitely get out and watch it. Acha, like now that you're saying, like you brought up this issue of smoking, and there's like a stigma still against women smoking a cigarette.
Yeah.
You know. But when it comes, if you see in and like guys, in no way is there any endorsement of smoking any kind of smokables. They are really terrible for your health, so please stay away
For
from them.
everyone.
Exactly. But गाँव में औरतें हुक्का पीती हैं और कोई कुछ नहीं कहता. अब modern society में now you see girls and like even younger girls carrying vapes and they're vaping in front of elders. But cigarette जो है वो अभी भी like if someone is like, it's like something that you go hide and do. Why do you think that is? What is it about cigarette smoking that you think is offensive to the Pakistani audience?
I think it's a cultural barrier. You know what I mean? अच्छा क्या है कि मुझे पता है क्योंकि मेरे घर पे जो है काम के लिए जो है वो भी करती हैं. She sometimes smokes as well. And you know it's considered okay in the villages, right?
Yeah.
When we come to the city, there's a certain mindset and होना नहीं चाहिए. जब मुझे किसी भी चीज़ को सही या गलत समझना होता है तो मैं अगर मुझे दुनिया में कोई जवाब नहीं मिल रहा होता तो मैं I'm a very religious person. So मैं फटाफट जाके अपने religion से देखती हूँ. And by religious I don't mean कि मैं हजाबन कबाबन, but I really respect कि जो हमारी बुक्स में है वो सही है. हाँ, कोशिश हम जितनी कर सकते हैं जितना सही करने की वो एक अलग डिबेट है, लेकिन जो सही है वो सही है, जो गलत है वो गलत है. अगर मैं अपनी बुक्स में जाऊँ या मैं अगर इसको जो तो मर्द करे औरत करे कोई, इट्स जस्ट बैड फॉर योर हेल्थ. ठीक है. अब वो मर्द की हेल्थ के लिए भी ख़राब है और वो औरत की हेल्थ के लिए भी ख़राब है. तो इट शुड बी अ पर्सनल चॉइस. लेकिन पाकिस्तान में नहीं एक्चुअली, मुझे लगता है हर जगह ये ईस्टर्न कल्चर जहाँ जहाँ है हमारे
सब कॉन्टिनेंट के अंदर,
हाँ सब कॉन्टिनेंट में हमारा ये है एक इशू कि पैंट पहन ली, सिगरेट देख लिया, या ये कुछ दो चार चीज़ें हैं जिससे एक माइंडसेट बना हुआ है, ओ ये लड़की तो खुली है. तो लोग कुछ भी एक्सपेक्ट कर लेते हैं. तो इसलिए जस्ट टू प्रिवेंट दैट फ्रॉम हैपनिंग कि कोई गलत माइंडसेट ना समझे. जनरली एक औरत कहीं पे बैठी हुई सिगरेट पी रही होगी तो कहेंगे ओहो ये तो फुल अयाश लड़की होगी और इसकी तो कोई बाउंड्रीज होंगी ही नहीं. ये एक माइंडसेट है, नहीं होना चाहिए, नहीं होना चाहिए. जस्ट बिकॉज मैं आई ड्रेस अप अ सर्टन वे डज नॉट मेक मी, ठीक है. तो वी नीड टू चेंज दिस माइंडसेट, बट सैडली वी हैव इट. और ये हमारे आई थिंक कल्चरल जो वो एक बन चुकी हुई है ना नॉर्म्स, वो शायद लोग कहीं खुद ही बड़े कंफ्यूज हैं. नहीं पता अंग्रेज बनना है, नहीं पता कि यहाँ का बनना है, कहाँ का बनना है, खुद ही भी नहीं. कभी रिलीजन को पकड़ लेंगे, कभी कल्चर को पकड़ लेंगे, कभी कहीं बाहर के कल्चर को पकड़ लेंगे. तो हम बड़ी कंफ्यूज अवाम हैं.
Before we sign off, what are you working on now and what's next for you?
So I'm working on a really exciting project, as I told you that I was going through a lot of scripts. So मुझे कुछ भी बदल के नहीं लग रहा था, और जब तक मुझे बदल के ना लगे मैं नहीं करती.
हाँ.
ये एक स्क्रिप्ट था जो मुझे लगा कि जिसकी पेस कहीं नहीं टूट रही. हर एपिसोड में कुछ नया है, बहुत एक्साइटिंग है, and it's absolutely different from everything I've done and everything you already are watching on television. तो काफ़ी एक्साइटिंग है. इसका नाम एतबार है. इट्स फॉर हम टीवी. इट्स कमिंग आउट वेरी सून. सो इट्स इनिशियली इट्स बेस्ड ऑन अ लव स्टोरी. एक कपल बहुत इमेंसली इंडल्ज्ड इन लव एंड कुछ मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग्स हो जाती हैं. सो जो लड़का है वो बड़ा फिनिकी है कि मेरी चीज़ है, तो उसकी चीज़ को कोई भी टच भी कर ले, वेदर इट्स हिज वॉच और क्लोथ्स और समथिंग, तो बस वो इस तरह का कि ले लो कोई बात नहीं, मुझे नहीं चाहिए, आई विल गेट समथिंग एल्स. वैसे बहुत स्वीट है बट बस होती है ना लोगों की नेचर. तो फिर कोई ऐसा इंसिडेंट हो जाता है जिसकी वजह से काफ़ी सारी बीच में चीज़ें होने लग जाती हैं, और आगे चल के फिर देन देयर इज़ अनदर गाय जो इस एक इक्वेशन में एंटर हो जाता है. और मुझे नहीं पता इससे ज़्यादा मैं कह सकती हूँ नहीं,
बस
but
सही है,
it's
ठीक
super
है।
exciting. Anyways, by that time teasers promos आ चुके होंगे तो you'll get a gist of it.
A gist of the whole thing. But anyways, I wish you all the best. Thank you so much for taking out the time. This has been a lot of fun.
Pleasure is all mine.
And it's been really great to get to know you in person finally.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I hope you guys enjoyed the segment. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you can be part of the Mominous Mixed Plate family. And I'll see you next time. Take care.